sisters. So today is day 2 of our foundational lesson for Greek mythology and Greek gods and goddesses. So before we start anything, I need you to grab the two things I need you to grab. I need you to grab a pencil and I need you to grab a paper. Okay? So if you need to, pause this video, grab a pencil and a paper. Okay? I'll wait. All right. So now that we have a pencil and a paper, remember we are using this to think about our answers and write them down before we type. Because remember, when we think about our answers and write it down, our thoughts can come out and then we're able to clearly write down what we want to say. Okay, so that's why we have those two objects with us. So let's go over our objective for today. Our objective is I can describe what I would symbolize if I were a Greek god or goddess. So I want to focus on this word symbolize because this is a big word that we're going to be using today in our lesson. So when they say they symbolize, that means like what symbol represents them. So let's say if it was a goddess of love, their symbol would be a heart, right? If they were the god of thunder, then it would be maybe like a lightning bolt or rain. So that is a symbol that that describe them, right? So that's what we're going over today. So I want you to think about that while we're doing this lesson, right? So our do now, right here, it says Greek gods and goddesses all have their own special powers and symbols. If you were a superhero, what special powers would you have and why? This is where you get your pencil, you think about it, write it, and then type it, all right? We'll go over more of the lesson later today, what we're going to be doing, all right? Bye.